any do's and don'ts for budding writers, ma'am, that you would like to share?
Join the writing community. I'm not going to say that if you want to write, follow your heart. You're obviously already following your heart if you're listening to this. I'm also not going to say don't give up because that goes without saying. I mean, if you give up, you don't have your book. Right? The second thing, understand the publishing world and the process.
Right.
A lot of times, when we get a rejection or things are not happening our way, there'll be a lot of venting, which is justified and you need a place to vent. But what I want to say is that we're not here to change the system.
Right.
We have to work within the system, right? You can't do that if you don't understand how the system works. If you don't understand how a publisher takes decisions, how a publishing house works, how do you expect to work with them? At the end of the day, we are one author. They are not going to change the system for you. You absolutely have to understand the journey from the draft to the manuscript and the manuscript to the book
Right.
and after.
Right. Yeah.
So you have to give it that time and you can do it. There is a lot of material, there is a lot of information out there. You have to sift through it to find reliable sources, but you will find it. Reach out to the correct people. You will find people who will be honest, who will tell you, who will share to whatever extent they want to, but understand the process. And then they take your decisions. You want to self publish, you self publish. You want to wait, you want to spend money on marketing. None of these are wrong decisions. But you should be very clear about why you're doing what you're doing. And that can only happen once you know what the system is, how it does it.
I had really deep dived into this publishing industry and the way it works. It's a corporate world. And they also have
Yes.
their own deadlines. They have to make sales, and they need such products that will sell. And it came to my own book. I was like, okay, I don't have 1 year, 1.5 year to go through the editing process. I'll, get outside opinion, beta reading done. And I want to get this book out right now because I already have second book lined up. There were a few writers, a few established authors who guided me in this direction.
There's no right answer. You yourself may choose a different path for your next work. Don't go and put in your money into something you don't understand.
Yeah.
Whether it's hybrid publishing, some kind of marketing plan, everything will start be a package. This is a package. This is a package. But you have to know what you're paying for and what you want to get for it.